Mastering the phrase, read in one sitting. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase that you might come across in books, reviews, or even in everyday conversation. Read in one sitting. Understanding this phrase will not only enrich your English vocabulary but also help you share your reading experiences more vividly. So, let's dive in and discover what it means to read something in one sitting. The phrase, read in one sitting, might sound a bit formal at first, but it's quite simple once you break it down. Reading refers to the act of looking at and comprehending the words of a text. The word, one, specifies the quantity, which is a single unit in this context. And sitting here doesn't just mean the physical act of sitting down. It represents a single period of continuous activity without long breaks. So, when we put it all together, to read in one sitting means to read something from start to finish without stopping for a long break. This phrase is often used to describe books or texts that are so engaging or short enough that you can finish them in one go. It's a way to complement a story's ability to hold your attention or to simply state how the book's length made it possible to finish quickly. For example, if a friend asks about a book you just read, you might say, "It was so captivating. I read it in one sitting." This not only tells your friend that the book was interesting, but also that it wasn't too long or difficult to get through quickly. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase can be used in different contexts. After finding a gripping mystery novel, I read it in one sitting because I couldn't put it down. The novella was so engaging, I managed to read it in one sitting on a quiet Sunday afternoon. This book is perfect for reading in one sitting during a long flight, recommends a book review. These examples show that the phrase can be used in various scenarios, from personal experiences to recommendations and reviews. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and use of the phrase, read in one sitting. It's a wonderful expression that captures the joy of immersing yourself in a good book without interruptions. Remember, language is not just about memorizing words but understanding the stories and experiences they convey. Happy reading, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.